In this video, we'll be telling about how to install applications in Apple iPhone. For this, first what we need to do is, you need to create one Apple ID. In most of the case, you may have already created one Apple ID. If you have not created Apple ID, what you need to do is, open settings. After opening settings, above you can see your Apple ID details. If you have not created Apple ID, you can see an option to create Apple ID. Just click on that. You need to give your mobile number, your email ID, and you need to set one password also. Important thing you should keep in mind is that you should remember that password. If you are forgetting that password, it will be very difficult. So make sure that you will remember that password. Anyways, after creating Apple ID, what you need to do is, in your app section, you can see App Store option. Click on App Store. When you are clicking on that, here you can see some options. Down here you can see Game section. When you are clicking on that, you can see so many games. Here some more options are there. Apps option is there. Here you can see other apps. Here arcade option is there, and here search option is there. If you want to search for any applications, you can search it from here. For example, I am searching for Messenger. When you are searching for Messenger, you can see that app. And one thing is that I have not installed this Messenger application before. So here it is showing Get. But when you are scrolling down, you can see Facebook application. Before I have installed this Facebook application, after that I have deleted that app. Since I have downloaded that app before, you can see a sign like this. To download this application, just click on this button. The thing is that if you have downloaded it before, you don't need to confirm with password. But in case of Messenger, it is not like that. Before I have not downloaded this application. So you need to click on this Get button. When you are clicking on that, you will be asked to double click on Power button. Just double click on this Power button. When you are clicking on that, your Face ID will be opened. You can confirm your identity with Face ID. Or you can enter password. What I recommend is, every time don't use this Face ID. When you are using password, you will not forget that password. Anyways, you can confirm your identity with Face ID, or you can click on this Install button, and when you are clicking on that, you will be asked to enter your password. After entering your password, here you can see Sign In option, click on Sign In. When you are clicking on that, you can see this app is downloading. If you are going to app section, you can see that app is downloading. Now that app downloading is completed, now you can use this application. So this way you can easily download apps in Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.